Well folks, I don't know whether we're on camera in a normal way. I've left the usual camcorder in the chapel, and I don't know where I've put the key to the chapel. So we've just had to dig out one of the vintage camcorders. So we're using one of the disc camcorders, which could do with being zoomed in a bit more, but I don't have a remote for it, and you won't believe how balanced I've got this to get it doing what we're doing. So here we are with the Nato 40. Now Mr Chippie doesn't know what radio we're doing, and we're going to surprise him with the Roger Bleep because it uses a 002F chassis. And this set, if you saw the service video to it, has come in its box, and I've never seen a Nato 40 box before ever. So we're going to use the standard replacement mic, and then we'll swap over to the factory original, which I haven't tried yet. So we'll go to Mr Chippie channel. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm ready.
I think we might want to swap channels, it's very busy on here.
Roger, okay. 32?
Yeah, I'll give that a try.
Roger. 32?
Yep, roger that, are you ready?
Yeah, Roger, just plug the extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're done.
Right, I'm done. Looks like we've got a Duff test mic, doesn't it? Right, it's if I hold the white lead in the right place, it seems to be okay. Do you get me at that?
Yeah, that was fine.
Roger on that, off we go.
Roger.
I'm on 32, Chippie.
Yes, am I.
Oh, well, I didn't hear anything other than the radio.
Alright, I'm pulled over into right back because I think there's still a problem, isn't there?
I'll tell you what, I'll get the factory original mic out of the box.
Yeah, because if the cable's duff, the receive cable could be duff as well.
Tango 21 on the factory original mic.
Roger that, a little bit scratchy of that, but that could be this PTT.
Yep, 40 years old.
Roger that, we'll carry back on again then.
Yeah, Roger, I'll take this apart and spray it whilst we're on the test.
Not sure whether you said anything there, I just keyed up.
I did say something. I said I'll spray this while we're on the test.
Right, well, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, and I've got a tone control.
Right, so here I am at the end of the lane, past doggy daycare. I think there was somebody there, but I was too busy trying to do the test, just waiting for a car to pass me by. And here we are on the main road.
Roger on that.
Yep.
Right,
Roger on that.
right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that with the mic in bits.
Roger with the mic in bits. Right, we're now square-wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got your square wheels of Ancaster Crossroads, putting the last screw in.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, taking apart the brand new test bike.
Roger that. Top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford.
Roger on that.
Ah, switchable bleep, and it's at the Amstrad or Cyernet 002F time.
Yes, so it is.
So it could be an Amstrad if it's switchable. I can't remember the sets that have the switchable.
I said to you earlier, I wasn't going to tell you what the radio was, but I was going to tell you that I've only ever done one once before. It isn't going to be an Amstrad.
No, I remember that, so yeah, that won't be an Amstrad.
Got two dry joint wires on the test bike.
Well, would you believe it? Right, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, testing. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, got you loud and clear. I'm on the...
Right, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, testing. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, got you loud and clear. I'm on a Nato.
Nato 40 FM from 1981, using Cyernet 002F chassis, doing 3.8 watts, and I'm on the factory original mic. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems. Went over Wilsford Level Crossing and I didn't say so.
Well done that, and I think you're still doing wires back on.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
What have you got your Kelby turn?
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Well, you've got the Greyleys turn and putting the quad back together.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Well, to get you the 5 mile point, I'm on this Nato 40 FM, using parameters up to F chassis. Haven't got low power on this, I've forgotten that you haven't got low power. And so it's got 1.3 amps to deliver 3.8 watts. I'm on the factory original microphone, over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Before you go, I'm about 10 seconds away from putting this mic together, so I'm just going to swap mics.
Yep, no problem, standing by.
Tango 21 on the test mic.
Yep, roger that, a little bit louder on this.
Right, we'll carry on with this one.
Roger that.
Up you go.
Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger. So I'll fix the factory original mic and I'll fix the new mic.
Very good, give that man a medal.
Yeah, must be medal.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 136.2 on 142.7. No, 136.9 on 142.7.
Roger on that. I will just, before you disappear, I've got a clear normal transmitted audio thing. So we're on normal. I'm going to go to clear testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, try for 6, 1, and back to normal, over.
Very little in here, just a little bit in here.
Roger on that. Thanks very much. And 10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21, testing the Nato 40 FM into our Midland 76900 base station on the standard replacement mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll just pop it onto the factory original. Tango 21, testing the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.